All right, how you doing today? Today we're going to talk about the UJAM Black Friday sale. Limited time, obviously. 6 drummers, 30 drum kits, 271 styles, over 6,000 phrases, a bunch of presets, mixed presets and everything else. The bundle here you get for one super low price. I have a bunch of them myself that I use. Legend's awesome. It's the brand new one. You got PHAT, heavy, solid, good for different genres of music, different styles of sound and kits, and you get it for one low price. You could even get their whole bundle of every plugin they own. That's another bundle that's on sale as well. And they even have all the other virtual guitars and stuff, bundles for sale. So check them out. Let me know what you think. I made some other videos demonstrating all these different plugins. I've been using UJAM stuff for a long time now. So if you want to check those out too, go ahead. If not, just jump right to the link and get your discount price. And yeah, check them out.